Okay, so members, now we are going to have some more questions, some more examples about addition and multiplication of matrices. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so we have these ones here. They are giving us a P and Q, and then they're asking us to find the values of A, B, C, D if P is equal to Q. We said two matrices are equal if their corresponding entries are equal. So to start with, they are telling me that P is equaling to Q. What does it mean? It means that now my P, which is will be equaling to Q, which is A, C, and D. So if these two matrices are equal, it means that A is equaling to 2, A is equaling to 2, comma, negative 1 is negative 1, then C is equaling to 3, and then D is equaling to negative 2. So that's Roman numeral 1. Roman numeral 2, they're asking us to get 4 times Q. First of all, our 4Q will be now our matrix Q. Now Q, we have our A as 2, then negative 1. We have our A as Q, then that's negative 1. So I'm going to set the 4 here. So you have it as 4 into our Q, A is 2, negative 1, C is 3, then D is negative 2. Then we can use the multiplying here. This will be, we say this term multiplies everything. So this times this, get 8, 4 times this, negative 1, 4 times 3, that's 4, and then 4 times negative 2, that's negative 8. So 4Q is that. Then number 3, they are asking us to get Q plus 3P. This will be the same as our Q. Our Q is 2. Then plus 3 with matrix P, which is 2, negative 1, 3, negative 2. I think we start there equal. What we do first? We first simplify this. So if you have multiplied this into there, shall be having this as 2, 3, negative 2, then plus. Can we multiply? This will be 6, negative 3, then 9, then this times this, negative 6. And if we add, we say we add corresponding entry. So 2 plus 6, that is 8. Negative 1 plus negative 3, that's negative 4. And 3 plus 9, that's a 12. Then negative 2 plus negative 6, that's negative 8. And so that's the numbers now. When I come to this, given that if n is this and n is this, find the s which is equal to this. So now my s will be, I put n, which is 1, 2. Then it's multiplying 3, 1, 1, negative 1. What are the orders? Can they multiply? This one is 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and this one is 2 by 2. So here is mine because they are the same, and the order of the new matrix is going to be 3 by 2. So now, here we are going to be having our S is going to be now, we say the first row multiplies the first column and then the last column. So how are you going to do it? This times this, 1 times 3, then plus this times this, 2 times 1. So that's the first entry. It has 2 columns. So this is the first column. Then the second, this times this, 1 times 1, then plus 2 times and negative 1. Then it has 3 rows, as we are going to see. So these are going to be 3 rows. This one is going to be having 2 columns. So then this row now multiplies this and this. So this times this, negative 1 times 3, then plus 0 times 1. Then this times this, negative 1 times 1, then plus 0 times negative 1. Then that's done. Then this row multiplies these two also. This times this. Then plus 2 times this. Then this times this. 1 times 1. Then plus 2 times negative 1. So that's what we have there. We have 3 plus 2. This is 1 plus negative 2. This is negative 3 plus 0. Then this is negative 1 plus plus 0. Plus 0. Then this is 3 plus 2. Then this is 1 plus negative 2. And so if you simplify that, you start this will be 5, negative 1, negative 3, negative 1. This will be 5, then this will be negative 1. And so that will be our matrix S. Now after mastering the way we multiply, I think so that it's 3 by 2. As we said, so always these ones are given in the order of this matrix. Now let us see, now after mastering these concepts, I'm going to skip now these ones. I'm just going to say this time, this I put the figure there. So now this one, if A is this and B is this, find C so that C is equal to A squared times B. First of all, we come and get A squared. What is A squared? A squared, we shall see a simple method of getting A squared there in future, but for now, we say this is A times A. A squared means A times A. So then we put what our A is. Our A is 2. Then, again A with is. Then from there, we can easily multiply. We say row by column. Row by column. 2 times this, 4, plus this times this, negative 1. Then 2 times 2, 2. Now this row multiplies this column. So we say 2 times 2, 4. Then this times this, negative 1. Then 2 times this, negative 2. Then plus this times this, negative 1. So that row is done. Then we come to the second row. This times this is 2. Then plus 1 times 1 is a 1. 1 times this, negative 1. Then plus 1 times 1 is 1. That one is also done. And if you simplify this, you start we shall get 3. Negative 3. 3, then this will be a 0. So we have our A squared. So our C is A squared B, which will be our A squared, which is there now, 3. Then times our B, which is negative 1, 3. Now when you look at this, can they multiply? This is a 2 by 2, this is a 2 by 1, and so that they can multiply. Both those are the same, and the order of the new matrix is going to be 2 by 1. So let us go and see how we can multiply. 3 times this, negative 3. Then plus this times this, you get negative 9. It's going to be a 2 rows and 1 column, so that's it. So see that this row and multiply anything else. So you come to this 3 times this, negative 3, plus 0 times this, 0. And so the matrix is going to be negative 3 minus 9, that's negative 12, negative 3 plus 0, that's negative 3. And so that's it, members. That's how we get A squared and B squared and so on. I wish you well.